Hey guys, did you know that you can make something as indulgent as churros, baked and healthy? Yes, you heard it right. These are baked pumpkin churros, and the extra icing on the cake is these are healthy and sugar free. So ditch the guilt and gobble up to your heart's content because this one won't get your holiday weight up. So to begin the recipe, melt some butter in a saucepan over medium low heat. Next, add some honey to this. This is just to make it sugar free. I'm adding honey here. You can add sugar free sweetener here as well. Once the butter melts through, you want to add the flour to it. Here I'm adding all-purpose flour. You can add gluten-free flour like almond flour or oats flour here as well. Next goes in some pumpkin puree, vanilla and some pumpkin pie spice to bring in all the autumn magic all at once. Once the dough comes together, you want to scrape it off from the bottom of the pan and allow it to cool down by turning off the heat. Next, you want to whisk some eggs and vanilla in a glass jar, and once that done, you want to pour this over your cool pumpkin churro dough. Remember to stir in so that the eggs do not scramble upon meeting the hot dough. And once that's done, take it up in a piping bag along with star nozzle. I'm using here Wilton 8B nozzle. You can use any nozzle of your choice. Bake at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. And once that's done, combine some stevia with some ground cinnamon to make your cinnamon sugar mixture. And once that is done, you want to coat your churros through completely so that they have all the cinnamony flavors into it. And there you go, your autumn spiced baked pumpkin churros are ready. These are so perfect for Thanksgiving. Also, these are baked and healthy, which makes them extra special. So dish the guilt, dunk them into melted dark chocolate and dig in. This is how you make easy baked pumpkin churro recipe. They are so easy to make. One of my favorite go-to snack and dessert, which I love to make every Thanksgiving season for my friends and family. Do give this baked pumpkin churro recipe a try. If you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. You can find the full recipe and all the measurements in the description box below. Have a great Thanksgiving everyone, and have a great day.